Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is in Worth It. So today's episode we got this cool image around here, and basically what these are some corner protectors that you can put anywhere that has a sharp corner. And you see the one that we got right here is like an L shape. So all you need to do is just peel the inside and just stick it on wherever you guys want. But I'm actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So I believe the material that's on here is like a silicone material. But as you can see the inside right here, they do have a tape for you to peel out. And then once you guys do peel it out, you guys can stick it anywhere that has a sharp corner. But if you guys bend it, you can definitely see how it's like a silicone material that will definitely give you guys protection on your corners when you guys do have like sharp corners. And for this brand, they actually have this available in like the L shape or the circle shape. So depending on which one you guys need, that is totally up to you guys. But let's go set this up first and show you guys how it works. Alright, so you see on the bottom of the bed frame that we have right here, it definitely has a little bit of a sharp corner right here. So every time when I actually bump on here, it actually hurt my leg. So that is basically why I got one of these to stick it on each one of the corners, so that way it won't happen again. So what you're gonna do is peel off the stickers or the piece of paper in the back, so that way you can stick it on. And regardless if you guys get this one or the circle one, they both work the same way. It just depends on your preference if you guys do prefer like the circle option or this one. Alright, so we got it out. So we're gonna stick it on. Stick it on the side and also on the top part as well. And push it in as tight as possible. And then once you guys stick it on, here is basically what the product looks like. So now if you guys bump on here, you won't feel any pain or anything because it definitely gives you guys that protection, which is pretty nice. So very easy and very simple to set it up. But I'm actually bringing the camera a little bit closer to show you guys what it actually looks like from up close. Alright, so here is basically what the product looks like from up close. You can see it actually looks very nice and definitely will give you guys that protection once you guys do set it up. Alright, so here is basically another way for you to set it up on all four corners if you guys want to. So I basically have one on each one of the corners on this table. You can see the way how I set it up. So this is another way for you to use it on your sharp corners or sharp end.